This is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So to begin, you will need to launch settings. The first way is to go for the network and internet, then SIM card. And over here you can see respective phone numbers below their SIM card's respective names, right over here and right over there. The other method is way more tedious, but I will show it to you nonetheless. So from settings, go for the system, then about phone, status, and SIM status. And at the SIM status page, you can also see the phone number for SIM 1 and SIM 2 respectively. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.